Still riding shotgun with our John Deere combine, and we're heading into the field. I have made some mistakes. This is my worst field. And welcome back everyone to my farming journey. It's Roland here, and that time of the year has come. We are getting the combine out, and hopefully maybe even start harvesting this afternoon. We'll see. We have 6.5 hectares of winter wheat ready, some early breed of winter wheat, so that's why we need to get harvesting. We need to get the combine started, get it out, attach the header, grease some points up, check the oils and everything, and we're ready to go. So let's start the combine. That was a really good start. Need to blow out the air filter. So this one is turning the header, and it needs to be put on before the header, and I usually forget that, so I'm gonna put it on now, because you can't put it on when the header is on. So yeah. Man, we need to add some grease. And we are moving to attach the header of the combine. Let's hope we can start today. At least open up the field, see what the moisture is in the combine. So maybe we can have some trailer full of grain. So there's the header of the combine. We're gonna try to get some shit out of the combine. That's the wind. se on törppien. Säg det på fjärde med klart, det är fort i spjällen. And the header is on. Kinda my fault that it took so long, but yeah, the header's on. And we are off! Let's go harvest some winter wheat with our John Deere combine. At least start harvesting. Let's go. See you in the field. So we are at the field. It's a bit green, but that's because of one weed which is really hard to spray and kill. So yeah, but that doesn't bother me at all. Let's start harvesting. Let's turn the harvester on. We're doing great. 2 laps, a lot of rain, and it's dry. 13.6% moisture. That's the best we ever have had. Still good. Let's continue rolling. are done for today. We have full load. I think less than half the field. Probably some 2.5, 3 hectares, maybe, I don't know yet. I'll check home. Didn't do much filming today, but we'll do tomorrow, so see you tomorrow. And welcome back everyone. Next day, day 2 of harvesting wheat. It's about 11:30 and we're heading into the field. Starting harvesting. Let's hope for a good day. We also have some hay on the ground. My grandfather is gonna bale it. Right now I'm all alone in the field. Let's hope everything goes to the plan. It's a bit shitty here. This is my worst field. Did not survive the winter. So good. Yeah. Some places really good, some places not so good. But what can you do? It does look green, right? The grain is ready. Moisture is good, about 15%. Today, cloudy. I hope I can finish before the rain. That's why I'm not filming that much, because I'm alone here and yeah, can't fly my drone. You know, I'm alone here. But no worries. I'll do better in next field. First field, need to get done before the rain and yeah.
Of a spinning wheel where all I feel is the ice getting thinner. Step by step, day by day, I'm fighting a winner. Pushed around, I'm nowhere bound, no solid ground. How can I get it back? How can I be strong? And all I do comes out wrong. I wanna be a saint, but I ain't. I'm far from.
So I'm gonna drive the tractor a bit closer, as I have to do it all by myself right now. I do cut a bit too high, but that's just safety, because one year I did catch a rock, pound a rock with the combine, and I do not want to do that ever again. We do pick the rocks, but some of them we just miss and don't see, and no, better be safe than sorry. And it's now dropping some rain pellets. Ah, look shitty, but yeah. Oh shit, rain's coming. I need to go.
Time is a struggle, little by little, day by day, I'm trying to juggle. Losing track, no turning back. I'm running through fire. Step by step, day by day, burning the wire. Pushed around, nowhere bound, no solid ground. How can I get it back? How can I be strong when all I do comes out wrong? I wanna be
less than I was hoping for. I have 2 trailers here. Only one of them will be, probably won't be full. Kindly my fault too, but we'll see. Yeah. But the first field is done. Happy about that. I borrowed this trailer. That's not mine. Harvest more than yesterday, but yeah. So what mistakes did I make? I didn't check. Let's check this right now. I'll show you. So this was too big. This gap was too big. I think it's even now a bit too big, but I adjusted at the end of the field. But yeah, this was all full with this little stuff. Half the combine's full with it. I am planting this variety of winter wheat. It's not good, but yeah. Okay, this is gonna be end of this video. I'm tired. Grandfather, something happened with the tractor. I need to go help him. He's baling straw right there. So yeah. Okay, see you next time. Hopefully better yields and better harvest. Bye.